Hello, I'm Ivanivske and this is Military Mind. Armed conflicts, defense and security, land, sea and air. We've got you covered. Now, overnight, Russian forces launched several attacks on Ukrainian cities. 2 people were hospitalized after Russia hit the city of Kharkiv with precision-guided bombs and damaged several residential buildings. In addition, 4 people suffered injuries in the Kharkiv region later in the night after Russia launched more attacks, Regional Governor Oleg Syniehubov said. Further south, in Kherson, 2 men were killed after explosives were dropped on them from a Russian drone. Meanwhile, Russia said its air defense units destroyed 21 Ukrainian drones targeting the border Belgorod region as well as Bryansk, Voronezh and Kursk regions. A drone attack sparked a fire at an unspecified industrial facility and injured 1 individual. On the front line, Russian forces thwarted an attempt at another Ukrainian cross-border incursion into the southwestern Bryansk region, Governor Alexander Bogomaz said. He added that, and I quote, an armed group had attempted to breach the border between Ukraine and Russia's Bryansk region, but was beaten back. The Russian local official did not specify whether it was Ukrainian soldiers who carried out the attack, but claimed that the situation was stable and under control. Responsibility for previous incursions into Russia's Belgorod and Bryansk regions has been claimed by 2 groups, the Russian Volunteer Corps and the Freedom of Russia Legion. Now, further to the Eastern Front, Russian forces are making swift and significant tactical advances into the eastern Ukrainian city of Selidove, war monitors have said. Those rapid advances have continued in the past week as Russian forces appear to be charging toward or even into the city of Selidove, which is less than 10 kilometers south of their main target, the larger city of Pokrovsk, a linchpin of the wider Donetsk region's defenses. Russian advances into Selidove, as well as territorial gains to the south and north of the town, may soon cause Ukrainian troops to withdraw from the area to avoid being trapped within a collapsing pocket. Now, in the Middle East, at least 9 people were killed and 20 others were injured in an Israeli airstrike on a school in the Shati refugee camp in western Gaza City, according to the Hamas-run civil defense in Gaza. Authorities reported crowds gathered near the school where bodies appeared to be scattered, while rescue crews searched the rubble for survivors. The hunt for the Russian infantry and equipment never stops for Ukrainian soldiers, with the mortar crews of the 92nd Brigade always on watch. The precision strikes continue to keep pressure on the occupiers, ensuring no movement goes unchecked. This relentless vigilance serves as a powerful deterrent, demonstrating the constant readiness of Ukrainian forces to defend and retaliate effectively. Ukrainian forces have flushed occupiers out of basements, sheds and underground hideouts. There is no escape from Ukrainian FPV drones. The fighters target Russian troops within their shelters and strike moving equipment. The operation in question destroyed 2 more tanks, 2 mortars, and Russian infantry hidden in cover. A particularly intense moment, dubbed the Mongoose Strike, shows an enemy soldier being propelled by an FPV detonation. Watch the damage and success unfold in this video from the UAV battalion of the 3rd Assault Brigade in Kharkiv. In the village of Ivanivske, an FPV kamikaze drone successfully intercepted and destroyed Russian motorcyclists heading towards their positions. This precise strike highlights the ongoing efforts of the 5th Assault Brigade to disrupt enemy movement and neutralize threats swiftly. Now the next video shows Ukrainian soldiers relocate to a new position in the village of Krenki, Kherson region, ensuring continued adaptability and preparedness on the front line. Their movement reflects the tactical adjustments made to maintain defensive strength and secure strategic positions amidst ongoing operations. And with this, we conclude this episode of Military Mind. Stay with us here on TVP World for more latest news and updates.